try the venison again. Another double batch. Only way to do it. Smelling good already. I normally put a bit extra butter in this, just give it glossy, really nice. Anyway, we'll come back in a few seconds. And they'll start to look really good again. Just about to come to the boil, then I'll just turn it back to simmer for 5 minutes. And then I'll throw the chicken, which I cooked for 2.5 hours at 70 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so that was sous vide too, so it should be really, really tender. Yeah, plenty of chicken in this. Look at it. Beautiful. So let it simmer once the chicken's in there for a good 5 minutes. Just let it cool naturally and absorb all the flavours. Okay, all the chicken's in now. Look at it, hey? Beautiful. That chicken is just so tender, just falls apart. It's I use chicken thighs, skinless chicken thighs. Like I said, I sous vide them at actually I think it was 80 degrees. I've done them, not 70. It was 80 degrees. I sous vide them for just over 2 hours. So yeah, they're actually beautiful. So just wait to let it simmer, and we'll leave it at that. And let it cool down. Pull the sauce into the chicken. Okay. There's 2 meals in each of them, so there's 8 meals there. Yeah, that'll be really nice. I've done a bit of a conversion this time. I put a little bit of, well, actually a whole block of Philadelphia CreamCheese in. It really made a big difference. I've added that to the recipe. I've got a little bit left over here, as you can see, which just enough for me to have a sample, I'd say, tonight. Okay, so once again, butter chicken, my all-time favourite.